Okay, look at this bargain rotavator we've got. It's 1300mm wide, 4.5, 5 foot almost. It will go on a pallet just about, but it might just be a slightly more expensive oversized pallet. Watch the rest of the video, you'll see it all working and spinning away as it does. It comes with the short top link that you'll need and that PTO drive. That PTO drive needs a plastic protecting cover on to meet with health and safety. That's up to the buyer to sort that out. Runs really smoothly. Watch it doing our potato patch, getting ready for planting this year's spuds, and it's currently attached to a 22 horsepower little Yanmar. Nice little rotavator, very sensibly priced, everything's working, all the adjusters and that are spinning, no problems with it at all. I don't think it's seen much use. There we go. Here we go, 2 passes with the tractor on the rotavator, less than 5 minutes work. Look at that, what a cracking little rotavator that is. Dumps out quicker than a spade and fork.